Well, hello everyone. Nice to see you all. Today we have a new member. And if you'd like to make her feel very welcome.
Hi everyone. My name's Kate.
Hi, Kate.
And I have ornithophobia. I guess it all started when I was young and I was attacked by a magpie at school. Its beak actually pierced my scalp by 5 centimetres. And a few years ago, I was driving and a bird flew into my car and I crashed. But crashing wasn't the worst part, because I couldn't open the door. So I was trapped for an hour with this demented thing flapping around my head. So now I can't drive with my windows down. I can't open my windows at home. I can't go to the park. I can barely leave my house. So I'm stuck inside with stuffy air and no social life. No life at all, really. And that's why I want to do this program. Why I need to do this program.
Feather. Beak. Tail. Cone. Kate, I'd really appreciate it if you could just put the book down.
Sorry, Simon.
Flipper. Come on.
Can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't!
All right, Kate. Go home then. You ready?
I guess so.
Well done. No more bird phobia.
And Australia has recorded its first ever case of bird flu.